Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate QuickBooks. First, locate your essential 20-digit license number and 4-digit product number. These are usually found in your purchase confirmation email or on the software packaging. Next, ensure your computer has a stable internet connection, as online activation is required. Finally, open your QuickBooks software and proceed to the Help menu to begin the process. Now, from the Help menu, choose the Activate QuickBooks option to open the activation window. Carefully enter your unique 20-digit license number into the first required field. Then, proceed to input your 4-digit product number into its designated box. Double-check both numbers for accuracy before moving forward, as even one incorrect digit can prevent successful activation. After entering your details, click the Activate Now button to begin the online activation. The system will then verify your information. Follow any additional on-screen instructions or prompts that appear to complete the process. Once activation is confirmed, it is highly recommended to close and then restart QuickBooks. This ensures all changes are fully applied and your software is ready for use. If you encounter any issues during activation, first re-verify your 20-digit license and 4-digit product numbers for any potential typos. Also, confirm your internet connection is stable and active. If problems persist, do not hesitate to reach out to QuickBooks customer support. They can provide personalized assistance and help resolve any specific activation challenges you might be facing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.